So Zcash just flipped Shiba Inu coin. It just flipped CRO coin, and it has surged lately. And I want to talk about some potential implications and risks that align with your interest in altcoin flows, narratives, macro triggers. We'll take a look at the overall market, but Zcash, the privacy coin narrative, it's got to be talked about. And just wanted to make this kind of an important update, talk a lot about important things, but focus in on what's going on right now and staying above the curve, right? Ahead of the curve. But there are multiple factors right now that appear to be contributing to Zcash's recent strong performance. And we're going to get into that for starters. We'll take a look at the overall market. So right now, guys, hit the like button, subscribe down below. Just also a heads up, we're getting ready 20 minutes from now, 18 minutes from now. I'm getting ready for my live Zoom call with my private community members. If you're looking to level up, still time to get in here. We do a live Zoom call every Friday for VIP members. Unbelievable exclusive access, exclusive content, full portfolio access. Check out the Patreon link down below if you're interested in leveling up and following all the moves I'm making and joining the best community in all of crypto. All right, so analysts are all over Zcash, but I feel like a lot of retail investors are still fading this thing. And the ZEC rally is being driven by the interest in the privacy-focused technology, especially given regulatory and institutional scrutiny of transparent chains. So the shielded pool metrics that Zcash has, it's showing growth. One article cites 4.5 million ZEC now resides in shielded pools, indicating higher use of the privacy features. You've got high-profile endorsements. For example, investor Naval Ravikant called Zcash, quote, insurance against Bitcoin. Former exchange CEO Arthur Hayes made bold predictions for ZEC, saying it's going to go back to $10,000 eventually, which appear to have triggered FOMO and increased speculation. But I feel like it's still institutional money that's pouring into Zcash. It's hitting levels right now not seen since 2018. That's 7 years ago, showing a large percentage move in a short time frame. It had a massive weekly jump. It is by far the leader in the clubhouse of top 100 cryptos now in the last 365 days. And it's all happened here in a few months, not even a few months. Zcash's market cap has overtaken other privacy coins like Monero, and it's just recently passed Shiba Inu coin, Toncoin rather, and Crypto.com's CRO coin. So listen, guys, there is something here, and the strong moves suggest it could be less of a hidden gem now, but more of a momentum trade, meaning there are some risk return challenges if you're looking short term. But if you look for pullbacks, you can find them on the chart. We recently just had one, but now we're rallying again. I got in on the most recent pullback to 225, one of the most recent pullbacks, and happy as hell that I did. Let's dive into this, though, because a lot of things happening right now. As you guys can see here, Zcash is ahead of Shiba Inu coin and market cap, just shy of a $6 billion market cap, and we've been as high as almost 400 bucks. We got to 388 was our high in the last 24 hours, 299 was our low. Look at the spread in the 24-hour period, guys. Yet we're still 94% down from all-time highs. Zcash was once 9 years ago, back in 2016, $5,900. That's insane. We're only sitting at 365. It is listed on Coinbase, Binance, all the top exchanges. It's almost in the top 20 in all of crypto now, and it just continues to go parabolic here, almost up 300% in the last month. Look at this, the last year, though, 871%. If you zoom this thing out and go to the last year, there you go, 850% Zcash is now up. Your second best mover on this list, XRP, 382%, and then you got HBAR, 307%. Those are the only three cryptos that are up more than 300+% in the last 365 days. Zcash, XRP, HBAR. Those are your top three right now in all of crypto. So what's going on with crypto right now? Why are we, kind of still fluctuating here? Bitcoin's hanging around 110, ETH 3,800. Nice little pop though. XRP showing a lot of strength at 251. So what's going on here? What's happening? Well, This is classic consolidation, in my opinion. This is classic, kind of, trading sideways, chop, 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 right? Bitcoin still within range. We did dip down pretty low on Bitcoin, scared a few people, probably again coming down to 106.3. But as we've mentioned, been down here before, no harm, no foul. Zoom out on the last year, Bitcoin's up 52%. Now, what is weird is we're going to get a monthly close in the red in October, unless something changes here. Today's the final day, right? Today's the final day of October. Happy Halloween, by the way. And we'll see. I mean, but we're looking at this. We're down 6%. We'd have to really come back up here and close above that 114 level. Certainly possible. We've seen it happen before. And we'll see if Bitcoin makes that run and has the monthly close in the green for October. But all in all, things are pretty much choppy, choppy, choppy. We're still waiting for the big moves to be made on altcoins. And I think everything is kind of delayed. We're seeing some market manipulation. We're seeing some macro factors that are holding us back. We did get the 25 basis point cut, but we got a sign from Powell that he's not so certain we're going to have an interest rate cut in December. And that is holding back the market a little bit. But all in all, we're still in a good spot. Still kind of waiting for the next big play and the next big move for crypto. Did want to shout out WEEX, guys, and BidFi. WEEX right now has some unbelievable offers right now. Huge opportunities to earn some free crypto. Great contest. They've got copy trading. WEEX is the top spot to make your plays right now. Proud sponsor of WEEX. Just put their logo up there. There's a link down below in the description. Definitely check that out if you haven't already. And come on over and join us at the Patreon. You could save 15% annually across the board too. And like I mentioned, we're getting ready for our live call that we do every Friday morning. So love to see you. Come on over and join us over there. Appreciate you guys so much. And we'll be right here with you every step of the way. Make sure you guys are locked in. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next video.